Namaste and welcome to Concepts with Karan. Many times I'm asked this question कि markets एकदम all time high पे हैं, so should I book my profits or not? Generally has been yes, please book your profits for two reasons. अगर आपने कोई goal के लिए invest करें और वो goal आ रहा है, you can use the money for that goal, especially now that some money has been made. एंड सेकेंडली समटाइम्स जो हमने खरीदा है और अगर उसकी वैल्यू बढ़ गई है, इट्स ऑलवेज गुड टू रीअसेस द सिचुएशन एंड रिडीम द मनी, but don't go out entirely. You can reinvest that money back in a new set of funds or a new set of stocks which can probably create wealth over the next 5, 10 and 15 years. Those are the two times when I always suggest that making probably a redemption or partly booking of profits makes sense. There's a third angle also where maybe taking some money off the table makes sense, and that is for asset allocation, where the run up on equity has created enough, let's say there has been good appreciation, but asset allocation उसकी वजह से खराब हो गया है. That means कि equity ज़्यादा हो गया और fixed income बहुत कम हो गया है. So take the money off the table from equity gains and buy fixed income. That way आपका asset allocation भी adjust हो जाता है. So three such situations जहाँ पे taking money off the table and booking profits make sense. Number one, if the profits have been gained, you can reassess and buy new stocks or new funds. Second, if your goal has been achieved and you want to use the money to buy something. And third, to adjust for your asset allocation. Under no other circumstances should you try and take money off the table, because the purpose is compounding. The purpose is to let money make money. And only in these three circumstances should we allow ourselves to redeem money. Thanks.